give cuz a few dollars, he happy, man. That's what we do. Look at my nigga, he pumped up out here, man. He didn't put his sign away now. He done got so much money from Snoop Dogg, he don't even need to use his sign no more. Yeah, nigga, look at your clock, nigga, you did that. Yes, sir. One love, that's what we do. We take care of ours. Yeah. To the brain. Give back, man. The give back is key. When you get it, make sure you give back. That's how you keep getting it. Look at my shit with my gym buddy, Toby. Oh wow, that looks good. I got gifts waiting on me in my cup hold. Fresh at the gym. I got gifts waiting on me when I get here, you dig? Well, that concludes another day in the gym. Mental Monday. Big Snoop Dogg. Fresh off the plane, straight to the gym. Gotta be about that life. Make sure y'all have a good day today. It's been real. Oh yeah, can't leave without doing it. Smile, bitch. Smile, bitch. Come on. You bitch, you. Living my best life.